Hi everyone, it's Ellen Thompson-Jennings, the Family History Hound, and here's today's photo challenge. Today I challenge you to create a tag in your Forever account. Why would you want to create a tag? Well, you can make tags for addresses, people's names, events, locations, and so by using tags in your photos, it makes it easier to find those photos when you're looking in your account. So let's create a new one. So we're in the tags folder. We're going to go to new tags, and then we're going to go to create a new tag. So I'm going to try it. This one, hopefully I haven't created it already. And we're going to create. And then it takes me automatically into my RootsTech 2024 tag. Now I can then upload all of the photos that I take when I'm at RootsTech 2024, and they will be in my library, but they'll also be tagged with this photo tag. Hope you'll give it a try. If you don't have a Forever account, you can sign up through my link, which is in the show notes below. Thanks, and I hope you give it a try.